Today we will examine in detail the angle properties of triangles using class discussion and labeled diagrams. The triangle angle sum theorem has, if a shape is a triangle, then its angles add up to 180. For instance, angle A plus angle B plus angle C should add up to 180 degrees. Exterior angles are the angles when I extend this line out, that becomes my exterior angle, and when I extend this line out, that becomes my exterior angle. Same thing here. I extend this line out, I now have an exterior angle. I extend this line out, and I get that. And here's two more, because the interior plus the interior is a linear pair. If you forgot what a linear pair is, they are angles that are adjacent, which means they are next to each other, and they add up to 180 degrees. Here I have exterior angles. What do I notice? This is 120, 120, 120, 150, 70, 140, 140, 130, 90. What do you think they all add up to? Let's take 120. 120. 120. That adds up to 360. 150. 140. 70. 0. 6. 3. 360, 360, 90, 140, 130, 0, 360. Just keep that in mind. So if I know that I have to classify this, I know that I have two sides that are the same, so it's an isosceles. And I know I have a right triangle, so this is a right angle. This is a right isosceles triangle. If I'm looking for DEC, I'll call this X. And if this is an isosceles triangle, then this is also X. That's X plus X, which is 2X, plus 90, should give me 180. I subtract 90. That goes away. I get 2x equals 90. Divide both sides by 2, and x is 45. So if this is 45, this is 45, then I know that I have DEC as 45, ECD as 90. The longest side here, first off, before I even start, I know I have to find this. 60 and 61 give me 121, and I take 180, subtract 121, I get a 9 and a 5, so this is 59. None of the angles are the same, so that means none of the sides are the same. Therefore, this is a scalene. All the angles are less than 90, so this is acute. Now, what is the longest side? Well, I look for the largest angle, and opposite of that is the longest side. The shortest side is the smallest angle. Opposite of that is the shortest side. QRS has two acute angles. QRS, let's draw that. QRS. QRS. RQS has a measure of 15, and QRS has a measure of 25. What is measure QSR? So I take 15, add 25, and I get 40. I take 180, subtract 140. I'm sorry. Whoops. Subtract 40 and I get 140. That means this angle is 140. And that's all.